Hello and welcome. Today's card was made with a new upcoming kit from Stampin' Up! Called Hooray for Honeycomb Kit. Now I made it a little bit different because I made it for Craft Roulette episode 207. The guest was Tracy Phillips, and we were to make an A2 size card with ice cream store colors, add the element of tasty or taste, and add a banner. Now I did not use the little banner label from the kit for my particular card because I'm just going to put it in a box. And as you can see, since it's dimensional, this will have to be a card that you send to that you give directly to someone or put in a box like I'm going to do. I used a sentiment from a past paper pumpkin kit, but the rest of it is came with the kit itself. This Hooray for Honeycomb kit will be out in early April. I recently went to an event called On Stage, a Stampin' Up! Event in Houston, and they gave us this kit. Really cute items in here with honeycombs. It makes 9 cards, 3 of each design. Here is the one from the kit made as instructed. It has a matching envelope, but unless you squish down the honeycomb, it is not going to fit in this envelope. So there's one of them. Another one, Oh Happy Day, has the honeycomb on the inside. Really cute, colorful cards. This is a non-stamping kit that's great for beginners, or you can get it and step it up. Here's the third card. Congrats, you did it. It comes with all the die cuts that you see here and the little honeycomb pieces. I like that the inside of the card is just as cute as the outside. And of course, these two will fit in their matching envelopes. To follow the parameters of Craft Roulette, I have my A2 size card, ice cream store colors, strawberry, blueberry, raspberry ice cream, and then tasty or tastes. Of course, a strawberry is tasty. And then I added this for my banner. So I think you're going to enjoy this Hooray for Honeycomb kit that comes out shortly. It'll be here the first week of April. So stay tuned and watch for more. Thanks for joining me. Bye.